Hey guys, we're at Horsnells. Gonna be doing a few little shuttle runs today. Haven't been down here in a bit, so taking it easy. Whoa. Oh my feet are coming off the pedals. This is gonna be a slow ass run, but that's alright. Get used to it. Ah. Let's go into the good bit. Oh my. Man, haven't been doing this in a while. Oh, bit chunky though. Nah, it's fun. Gotta find the smooth lines. Whoa. A few rocks around the place. Ah. Oh my. Whoa. Pretty deep. What is that? The line? I don't know. Whoa! Shit! Far out. What is this, guys? Pretty cool. Oh shit. Alright, that was pretty cool. We'll admit. Just gotta keep it smooth though. Oh. Okay, that was pretty cool. Damn, I like that. Oh, holy shit. Alright guys, quick update. The bottom of, I think, Pineapple Express, that's what it's called, is super overgrown with a bunch of spiky vines, so just be careful if you're going down there. Alright, lap 2, let's go. Go line up here. Well, oh, not quite. Okay, gotta go a bit faster, but that was good. I've never actually done those jumps before, so. Okay, that was not it. That cornering technique. Oh, what am I doing, bro? Sorry guys, I was in the wrong height or view lens, so it wasn't wide enough, so should have it all fixed up now. Let's go. Oh my days, that That was such a battle. Well, oh, I nearly died. I'm just taking it easy here. Whoa! Let's keep going. Different track this time. Oh shit! Rim dinger, far out. I'm gonna go a bit slower off this drop. Don't want to absolutely die. Oh shit! It's getting deep. Alright, that was good. Kept it smooth. Alright, good transition. Come on. Oh my god. What am I doing? Ow. Well, alright, it's good. Like that shit. Okay. Okay, this is a little deeper. Oh my god. That was so ill. Oh, back here again. That was very sketchy, but I've been here in a while, so I'd want to come back here when there's a bit more rain maybe. But yeah, otherwise it's very good track. Right, let's go. All right, we're at Waterfall Gully. We're gonna hit up Twisted Noodle, so yeah, let's go. Oh, a little bit dusty. Oh my. Okay. Oh, shit, my foot's come off the pedal. Whoa. Ah. Inside line. All done. Hey guys, that's gonna be all for today. I hope you enjoyed, because I know I did. The track was so sick, so steep, so technical. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.